Hello everyone, how are you all doing? This is William Smith, and today I have something special to share with you. Have you ever felt unprepared for emergencies and unexpected disasters in tragic situations? That overwhelming feeling of not knowing what to do when a crisis happens? Well, I have a solution that will transform your life and make you ready for any tragic situation. Stay until the end of this video because I am going to introduce you to the Lost Frontier Handbook. The Lost Frontier Handbook is a comprehensive guide created to help you navigate any emergency situation with confidence. Whether it's a natural disaster, economic collapse, or social turmoil, this manual offers the knowledge and skills necessary to survive and save yourself in any tragic situation. I have been using the Lost Frontier Handbook, and I can say that it truly makes a difference. The techniques and tips I learned from this manual gave me a new perspective on self-sufficiency and emergency preparedness. Certainly, you want to know the pros and cons of this product, right? Let's start with the pros. Step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow, real-life case studies that illustrate how to apply the techniques, expert tips that enrich the content, the ability to prepare medicinal remedies, preserve food, and ensure clean water. Now, regarding the cons, here's what I felt about this product. It has a lot of information. It's very comprehensive, so the amount of information can be a bit overwhelming at first. But with patience and time, you can absorb everything just fine. Compared to other survival guides on the market, the Lost Frontier Handbook stands out for its comprehensive and practical approach. While many others focus only on a specific area, this manual covers all essential aspects of survival and self-sufficiency. And here's an important alert. The Lost Frontier Handbook is only sold on the official website. To ensure you're buying the original product and not an imitation, click the link below in the description of this video. The Lost Frontier Handbook comes with a special promotion of 72% off, free shipping, and incredible bonuses. Additionally, they offer a 60-day refund policy. That's right, you can test it for 2 months, and if you don't like it, they will refund your money. Don't miss this unique opportunity to transform your life and ensure peace of mind. Click the link below, place your order now, and start your journey towards self-sufficiency and security. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review of the Lost Frontier Handbook. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on future videos. See you next time, everyone.